Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to connect eero router to Spectrum modem, setup steps, bridge mode, and avoid double NAT. Connecting an eero mesh router to a standalone Spectrum modem requires a complete power cycle of the modem, so it assigns its single public IP address to the eero gateway. If you are using a combined Spectrum modem router gateway instead of a standalone modem, you must disable its routing function to prevent a double NAT conflict. A double NAT occurs when two devices try to assign local IP addresses simultaneously, which breaks online gaming matchmaking, smart home syncing, and secure VPN routing. Step-by-step hardware setup for standalone modem. Follow these sequential physical steps if you have a standalone Spectrum modem. First, unplug the Spectrum modem. Disconnect the power cable from your modem, and if it has a backup battery compartment, remove the battery temporarily to ensure it is completely shuts down. Next, disconnect old hardware. Then unplug your old standalone router from the modem's Ethernet port if you are replacing one. Next is to connect the gateway eero. Take an Ethernet cable and plug one end into the single active yellow/Ethernet port on your Spectrum modem. Then connect the other end to either port on the back of your primary eero unit. Next, boot up the modem first. Now plug the power cord back into the Spectrum modem. Wait roughly for around 2 to 3 minutes until the online indicator light turns solid blue or solid white, confirming a stable connection to the Spectrum infrastructure. Now, power up the eero. Insert the eero's USB-C power supply into an outlet. Next, launch the mobile application. Now open the eero app on your iOS or Android phone with your mobile cellular data enabled. Then follow the prompt to log in and allow the app to detect your new mesh gateway node via Bluetooth, avoiding double NAT for Spectrum combo gateways. To avoid network conflicts, enable bridge mode on either the eero router or the Spectrum gateway. Do not enable it on both devices. First, option A. Bridge the Spectrum gateway, which is the recommended one. This approach retains all of your eero's intelligent software elements like the security scanning, data tracking, and dynamic routing profiles. First, connect a laptop or smartphone to the built-in Wi-Fi network of your Spectrum gateway. Then open a standard web browser and enter the default local gateway address, which is usually 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Then log in using the administrator credentials printed on your hardware sticker and locate the Advanced Networking or LAN Setup panel. Then locate the setting labeled Residential Gateway, NAT mode or Router mode and change it directly to Bridge mode or Bridged. Then turn off the wireless radios on the Spectrum box to stop interference. And save your settings and reboot the machine. If you can't find bridge mode, many new Spectrum provider routers do not allow customers to enable bridge mode themselves. You may need to contact Spectrum support and request that they enable bridge mode remotely. Option B. Put the eero network into the bridge mode. If you prefer letting your Spectrum hardware act as the main traffic controller, you can toggle your eero units into basic wireless access points, as this disables premium options like eero plus advanced threat protection and individual profile pausing. First, complete the standard eero configuration layout via the mobile application. Then open the eero app homepage and select Settings from the lower navigation menu. In it, tap Advanced, then go to DHCP and NAT. Now change the toggle switch configuration from automatic over to bridge. Then tap Save in the upper right interface corner. Now your eero nodes will automatically reboot to save the settings. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.